Ako kasi, nung una, very irresponsible ako sa finances ko. Pera, gastos. Pera, shopping. Pera, travel. Important talaga yung makapili ka or makahanap ka ng partner, yung magka-guide sa'yo. And important din yung makahanap ka ng partner na mamamaximize mo yung benefits, na hindi sayang yung mga efforts mo, hindi magagastos mo lang, 'di ba? Kaya ako naging member ng RCBC Hexagon Club. For me talaga, sobrang big deal sa akin na walang number one check. Walang annual fees. The reward points are unexpiring. For someone na mahilig mag-travel, sobrang big deal na nakakapag-relax muna ako bago ako lumipad because I have free access sa lounge. So nakapag-relax na ako bago pa ako umalis. So that sets the tone for your travel. Sobrang handy niya. It's also important to find a partner for your finances. That's why I found RCBC to pursue my passion. Kasi I think they're the right partners for me at this point in my life.